Hey guys, hello and welcome to hashtag Vlog Wednesday. Now, this video is something that I wish there are a lot of things that I would have knew when I was in 12th standard, or I would have just completed my 12th standard. I have got a lot of questions, guys, that you are really confused with your career path. Let me tell you one thing: don't be panicked. And first thing, if you want to make your if you want to choose your career after your 12th standard, first thing is follow what your heart says. Trust me on this, guys. I know it is a very crucial time, and many of you, like one girl called me saying that I want to make my career in media, and that too specifically in events. But somebody told her that events company band ho jayegi, then what you will do? So I just want to suggest you that, guys, nothing will stop. Trust me, it will. The event will convert into something else. I mean, there will be online events or something like that. बट आप ये मत सोचो कि कुछ बंद हो जाएगा. स्टिल एवरीथिंग विल स्टे एज इट इज. लाइक जो आपको करना है आप वो आइडेंटिफाई करो. व्हेन आई वॉज इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड, आई वॉज कंफ्यूज लाइक यू. आई वॉज समबडी, मुझे जानवर बहुत पसंद है. सो आई वॉज लाइक आई विल बिकम अ वेट डॉक्टर. नाउ मैंने 11th-12th में साइंस तो लिया ही था, जिसकी वजह से मेरे मार्क्स बहुत ही कम आए. आई एम वेरी वेरी बैड एट मैथ्स एंड फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री टू. बट साइंस क्यों लिया? क्योंकि जो अच्छे बच्चे होते हैं जिनको पढ़ाई करनी होती है वो साइंस लेता है. एंड दैट टाइम साइंस वॉज दी थिंग दैट इफ़ यू हैव गॉट लाइक डिसेंट मार्क्स ऑल्सो साइंस में ले लो. जो बच्चे डब्बा होते हैं ना वो आर्ट्स करते हैं. सो दिस वॉज अ माइंड सेट लाइक फ्रॉम द बैकग्राउंड आई कम फ्रॉम. सो अब मैंने साइंस तो ले लिया. उसके बाद लाइफ में करना क्या है? बिकॉज साइंस लिया है तो स्कोप साइंस में ही देखना पड़ेगा. एंड इंजीनियरिंग एंड मेडिकल वॉज दी थिंग. सो आई डिसाइडेड कि यार आई विल बिकम अ वेट डॉक्टर बिकॉज दैट इज़ द ओनली थिंग आई कैन बिकम बिकॉज आई वॉज नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मेडिकल और इंजीनियरिंग तो मैं कर ही नहीं सकती थी. But nobody told me that to become a doctor you don't need passion only. You need to understand chemistry and biology in detail. Like biology was something that I liked, but chemistry भाई मुझे नहीं समझ आते chemical reactions. So this is what was happening to me. I was also very confused, and I started asking myself what I want to do. Like 2 years it was like the college was a nightmare for me because I used to hate studying physics and chemistry and all these derivatives and integration. Somehow I passed, but that was somehow. Talking about my career path, see guys, now you have a lot of options. Like there is n number of things that you can do. People are open about the ideas, new courses have introduced, and the best part is internet, that you can Google about it. You can approach people on social media, you can approach the professionals on social media and ask them. But we didn't have that platform. So guys, wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever career you want to choose for yourself, please make sure that you enjoy that. Yeah, I mean, you should have fun. See, a person like me, I lost 1 year. I mean, I cleared my medical exam. I mean, MHCET. I don't know how I cleared. Some tukka and something happened and I cleared. But after that, the day came wherein my dad had to pay like 25 lakh as a fees. And I got through admission in DY Patil, MBBS and degree. But then what happened is I realized that, I passed this entrance exam by fluke. And my dad is not, he will pay, somehow he'll manage, but I won't be able to justify it and I'll fail. I was shit scared. So I went ahead and I told my dad that, Dad, I don't want to do this. And it was too late because all the admissions and everything was closed. And that time, MHCET, all those things used to take a while. So you have to wait till August, September. And by the time the general graduation admissions was done and the classes were already on. So I had to literally give up my year, the whole year. And I said, Dad, I want to become a journalist. And I was literally passionate about it. I used to be looking at all the television channels and was like, I really want to become a news reporter. But the huge problem was where will I do journalism from? Journalist बनने के लिए करना क्या होता है? I had no clue. And like BMM was not that popular like today it is. Like, you know, every second person know about BMM these days. But in 2008, I don't think so that people were so much aware about it. So I was in a fix that what the hell I'm supposed to do. दूसरी नहीं, बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम ये भी थी कि यार आई वॉज अ कैमरा शाय पर्सन. कैमरा शाय नहीं, आई वॉज अ पर्सन हु लिटरली हैड स्टेज फियर. आई नेवर टुक part in any of the events and lot of things. I mean, I was extrovert, but not in front of the public. Talking in front of the people was something that was very challenging for me. Bad language skills, and I used to get very nervous because I was really plump during my college days. So that was something that I was not confident about my appearance. I mean, I was somebody who used to feel that, you know, I don't look good and I look really bad. So all these things, I know there are a lot of you like me, you know, struggling the same I did. So guys, I just want to tell you that you can overcome this. If I can, you can definitely can. So all these questions as you are into today, when you just completed your 12th and what to do you don't know, even I have gone through that. So you will find out the way. You just need to be, you know, you need to be sure that you want to do something. You will definitely find out the way. And it's very obvious that, you know, any parent who really want their son or daughter to have a secured future, get into medical or engineering, they didn't accept. They were like really pissed on me. They said, you know, you are useless and you just don't want to study. But somehow, somewhere, I followed my gut feeling and I said, okay, I'll take a drop year, but I really can't do this. I want to get admission into something where I will enjoy. And guys, I'm a live example. I tell myself that, you know, I'm a person who got just pass marks in my exam in my 12th standard, which was my grades were 52% in 12th standard. But when I followed my passion and I did what I wanted to and I understood and I enjoyed it, I stood 83% in my first year BMM because I loved whatever I was studying. I enjoyed each and every subject. And yes, definitely I was blessed with good teachers. But you know, the thing was, I was enjoying it. I was liking the subject. I was understanding it. So it actually made me realize that please, all of you guys, if I can do it, you can definitely do it. Follow your passion. But first thing, what I have complained with all of the youngsters these days, guys, you don't look at the syllabus. And my request will be, don't just look at the course name. Please go through the syllabus. It will help you. Once you know the syllabus that this is what you're going to study, maybe it will clear your ideas. So there are few things that nobody ever told me, that, you know, it is okay that, you know, if you select something what you like is different from the mainstream. So first thing, everything is the best unless and until you want to do something in arts, please go ahead and do. You want to do something in music, please go ahead and do. Whatever you are best at, please identify that. Identify your core and interest, and then you can be able to do it, guys. Trust me. I learned by wasting my year, but I'm telling you this, please don't waste your year. You can always follow your passion. Just find out things, google it, you can search it out there, take help from somebody who is there in the industry, maybe your friend, your friend's cousin, anybody. And these days contacting is easier. You have a lot of YouTube, you have a lot of Google, you have a lot of things around there. Please don't waste your year, and I guess you will make through. And trust your journey, trust yourself. Don't doubt yourself that, you know, if I don't do this, I'll not earn money. You will earn money, yaar. If you are good at something and you're enjoying it, why won't you earn money? But if you want money and you want to compromise on something that you don't like, then I doubt how far you will be able to make money. So for all the 12th standard kids, please don't get panicked. Even for the admission process, the calls I'm getting, go follow the university website, because there's nothing much I can do personally about it, because you have to follow the university guideline. For that, you have to go on the university website and fill up your forms. So guys, best of luck, and I would say that, I just wanted somebody who would have told me that follow your dreams, follow something you love, and everything will fall in place. Eventually I did that, like gradually I did that, but as I said, it was a hard way learning. But for you guys, I believe that you will follow your dream and for sure pursue and excel in it. Hey guys, if you like my vlogs, please do write in the comment below and let me know. And what do you think about your career decisions? That also you can let me know. And if you are confused, you can always ask me question and I would love to help you guys. And definitely you have to like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys on the next week #Vlog Wednesday.